From this video, you will get tips to prepare for the 21260T Administering Call Management System test. What is 21260T Administering Call Management System test? 21260T Administering Call Management System test. (21260T test topics). Preparation tips for best studying. (1) What best practices should be followed when configuring call work codes? Select 2. A. Define clear categories for different types of calls. B. Allow agents to customize CWCs at their discretion. C. Regularly update CWCs based on evolving business needs. D. Limit CWCs to a single code for all call types. Answer: AC. 2. When customizing the CMS dictionary, what should you ensure is consistent across all reports? A. Report time zones. B. Definition of terms and metrics. C. Agent's performance history. D. Report formatting styles. Answer: B. 3. Which tasks can BDNs accomplish in Avaya CMS? Select 2. A. Determine how calls are queued. B. Store voicemail for agent retrieval. C. Route calls to specific agents or departments. D. Generate custom reports for agents. Answer: AC. 4. Which feature of the CMS Supervisor interface allows real-time monitoring of call center activity? A. Historical reports. B. Call recording. C. Real-time reports. D. Alarm management. Answer: C. 5. What actions can be triggered by exceptions in Avaya CMS? Select 2. A. Notification to system administrators. B. Automatic rerouting of calls. C. Escalation of calls to a manager. D. System shutdown to prevent data loss. Answer: AC. 6. Why is it important to monitor trunk group utilization in a call center? A. To monitor call agent activity. B. To prevent overloading communication lines and maintain call quality. C. To keep track of agent login times. D. To ensure compliance with data protection standards. Answer: B. 7. What is a key component in administering agents in Avaya CMS? A. Defining agent profiles and assigning skill sets. B. Limiting agent login times. C. Setting up agent routing paths. D. Managing external data storage. Answer: A. 8. What is the purpose of making configuration changes in Avaya CMS? A. To optimize the system for changing call volume and patterns. B. To automatically update agent profiles. C. To prevent access to certain reporting features. D. To change the hardware setup for the ACD system. Answer. A. 9. What key configurations should be considered when administering trunk groups? Select 2. A. Trunk group capacity. B. Agent training schedules. C. Routing preferences. D. System update intervals. Answer. AC. 10. What are some best practices for administering VDNs? Select 2. A. Regularly update VDNs to reflect changes in call routing strategies. B. Ensure all calls bypass VDNs for direct agent routing. C. Monitor the performance of VDNs to avoid call congestion. D. Set VDNs to default settings for all call routing. Answer. AC. Subscribe and like past question.